Hey everyone, so I want to do a walkthrough of this kit that I got. So I did not make this up. I got this kit from my local scrapbook store, and it's a Simple Stories Happy Travels kit, and it is just so cute. I'm going to use it to put pictures from all different vacations because usually I have one album per vacation, but it's really nice to look at travels over the years. So that's what I'm going to use this for, but I thought I'd just do a quick walkthrough and show you what it is. So first of all, it is in the Simple Stories binder. And so this is really different than my usual scrapbooking mini albums because it's the pocket album. But let's just take a look. So really nice papers, lots of puffy stickers. Over here, I actually covered this up with some of the glossy accents just to make it stand out. So you have a nice pocket here for storage. I love the little flight attendant. Some more pockets for journaling and photos. Some good photo spots and journaling here. So just a quick walkthrough to show you. You can put a photo up here and a photo will go down here as well. So it's just a really fun, cute little album that was really, really quick to put together. And you can always add more pages to it as well. Okay, so we have another pocket here. So I still have to make some cards for the pockets, but I will do that once I know which pictures I'm putting in. And then finally, the last section, we have another little pocket page. Just really, really, really cute and super fast and easy to do. So if you ever wondered what one of these look like, there you go.